Wait.
Diamonds, gold, ice white, I'm black. Diamonds, gold, ice white, I'm black.
So this is the Sony DSC-WX500. This is the first camera that I bought for my YouTube channel. I've been using this camera for around 3 to 3.5 months and it's been great experience so far.
Here we come. Yeah, here we come. Hey, here we come. Here we come. Here we come.
So this is not going to be the review of this camera. This is going to be like a video test, the quality, how the stabilization is, and the zoom test and all that stuff. So this is not a video review of this camera. If you guys want me to make a review of this camera, let me know in the comment section down below, and do make sure to subscribe and turn that notification on so you guys will never miss when I upload a new video. The videos which you are about to see are all from the Sony DSC-WX500, and all of the videos are color edited because without color editing the video doesn't look good at all. So yeah, now let's roll the clip.
Follow me there
At TechnoSmart7.
Hey.
I'm not going to say that this is the greatest camera for a YouTuber. There are many other great cameras a little bit higher, like 25,000. For rupees 25,000 you can get a DSLR, and this camera costs rupees 20,000. I think it's 19,000 now, which is a lot cheaper. So I was a complete beginner in this camera game, so I was having no idea about these cameras, so I went with this one. So how was the quality of the video? Let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Like this video, share and comment down below if you have any questions. And yeah, thanks for watching. This is TechnoSmart signing off. Have a great day, guys. Peace. Wait, I just forgot one thing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at TechnoSmart7. The link is in the description down below.